Are you doing anything to hurt your kidneys every day? You might be surprised to learn how common little things can hurt these important organs. Your kidneys are like your body's natural filters, always working to get rid of toxins and keep everything balanced. But they're not as tough as you might think, so watch until the end to discover 5 surprising ways you might be hurting your kidneys, and what you can do to stop and take better care of them. Number 3 might just surprise a few of you. Did you know that sitting for hours can do more than just hurt your back? Poor circulation and bad posture from sitting for too long can actually reduce blood flow to your kidneys, making it hard for them to work properly. Your kidneys love to move and get oxygen, but sitting all day takes that away from them. Here are some recommendations to help you stay healthy. Get up and move around every 30 minutes if you're sitting at a desk. Consider getting a standing desk or having walking meetings. Even small bursts of activity like a 10-minute walk after meals can make a big difference. Salt and sugar are sneaky culprits when it comes to keeping your kidneys healthy. Too much salt can mess with how your kidneys filter blood, raise your blood pressure, and put extra stress on them. And sugar? Well, it can damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys and even increase your chances of getting kidney stones. Here are some recommendations. Start by cutting back on processed foods, which are usually packed with hidden salts and sugars. Instead of using salt to flavor your meals, try using herbs and spices, and when you want to sweeten something, go for natural options like honey or stevia. You can also keep an eye on how much you're eating each day to make sure you're staying within healthy limits. Protein is important, but eating too much animal protein, especially red meat, can be tough on your kidneys. When you break down purines from meat, it makes uric acid levels go up, which can lead to kidney stones. And if you eat too much meat, it can also make your kidneys weak over time. So, here are some recommendations. Eat a balanced diet with lots of plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, tofu, and quinoa. You can also try some tasty options like mushrooms, miso, or nutritional yeast. If you do eat meat, try to keep your portions small and choose lean cuts. Do you often delay bathroom breaks because you're busy? Holding in urine can lead to urinary tract infections, UTIs, and, in severe cases, kidney infections. Over time, this habit weakens your bladder and increases pressure on your kidneys. Here are some recommendations to help you stay regular. Make sure to take regular bathroom breaks, even when you're super busy. Also, try to drink water throughout the day, instead of gulping it all down at once. And lastly, cut back on caffeine and alcohol, as they can be irritating to your bladder and make you pee more often. Over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen and aspirin or ACE inhibitors might seem harmless, but they can actually damage your kidneys over time if you take them too much. These drugs reduce blood flow to your kidneys and can cause long-term problems if you don't talk to a doctor first. Here are some recommendations you can do to stay healthy. Talk to a doctor before you start or keep taking any medication. Try natural ways to manage pain, like yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises. Make changes to your lifestyle, like getting better sleep, eating healthier, and finding ways to relax, to reduce your need for painkillers. So there you have it. Your kidneys are like silent superheroes that keep you healthy, but they need our help. Don't wait until it's too late to take care of them. With these simple tips, you can prevent serious damage and feel your best. Now we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever fallen into any of these habits? Share your thoughts or personal tips in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's build healthier habits. See you in the next video.